Hey, it's Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Maps to download an offline map. So let's say you're going somewhere where you might not have good reception. Maybe your data is almost used up and you want to have a map offline. So first what you do is you open up Google Maps. And let's say you want to go to Area 51. So you can try to take some pictures of some aliens. But you're not sure if there's actual cell reception there. So you just want to make sure you have a map so you can quickly get out of there before an alien abducts you. And stick around, actually I'm going to show you how to upload a picture of the alien if you get one after you've been to Area 51. So you click on your profile picture up there and then you click down there, it says offline maps. And if you have one that you've already downloaded, you can use that. If not, you can click up at the top that says select your own map. And we're going to go down by Area 51, which is just a little bit west of the Alamo area and Crystal Springs. Up here. So that's the general area of Area 51. I want to download that onto there. So it's saving. So if I'm at night, I have a headlamp on, there's no cell reception, I want to sneak around on an Air Force base, which I don't recommend. That's illegal. Don't do that. You'll have a map there of Area 51. I guess I'll update it. Oh, April 18th, 2025. So I have a year to use this thing and find some aliens. So that's how you download a map on an Android phone from Google Maps. Now I'm going to show you how to upload a photo of the picture of the alien that you just took at Area 51 so you can brag to all your friends in the world of like, hey, I got proof. These things are real. So you go to your Google Photos here. Find your picture of the alien that you quickly snapped at night as you were running. Maybe you took it over the back of your left shoulder. I don't know. You click the share button there at the bottom. And then you go down to Google Maps, the icon, add to Google Maps. And up top you can click somewhere else and you can put in Area 51 Nevada. So it's this one down here. You got to be careful not to do this for other Area 51 because there's a lot of tourist shops, nightclubs, things like that that call themselves Area 51, but they're not the actual Area 51 where supposedly aliens or alien spacecraft technology exists. And then once you've got that uploaded, you can just click post. So I'm actually doing this. I'm posting it here. So someone might be looking for Area 51. They want to see pictures. Now they're going to see a cool picture of this alien, which I didn't actually take that picture as a disclaimer. So that's how you use offline maps on an Android phone. And as a bonus, I showed you how to upload a picture onto Google Maps, like if you take an alien picture at Area 51. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again soon.